The blade technology incorporated into the EF-3000 allows for much longer blade life and a simple process of blade installation. A set of 2 MY01 and 1 MY05 cutting blades come pre-installed, and there is an extra set for replacements. It is important to monitor blade quality and change cutters when necessary. This cutter hub has been removed for demonstration purposes. Each blade sits in a cradle in a cutter hub in a designated position. When replacing blades or setting cutting depth, the dial indicator must be used. The blades and hub are accessible from the rear of the machine. Remove the orange outer guard by unscrewing the guard bolts and slide the guard upwards. Each blade sits in a cradle fastened within the cutter hub wheel. Remove the cradle, including the blade, by removing the screw in the back of the hub. An Allen key may be required. Start adjustments using the first MY01 roughing blade, making sure it's in its cradle. Then remove the positioning block from the dial indicator. Place the cradle with the blade to the positioning block and return the group to the dial indicator. Then secure with the outer screws. Use the jack screw at the back of the cradle and positioning block to position the blade in the cradle. The dial indicator should read 0 and is used as the 0 reference point for all other blades. This blade should be returned to position 1 of the cutting wheel. Repeat this process for the other blades. For the second MY01 roughing blade, set the dial indicator to 0.20. This blade will go into position 3 of the cutting wheel. The diamond blade, or MY05, should be set to 0.25 on the dial indicator and sits in position 6 on the cutting wheel. Return the blades to their cradles in the cutter hub in the number designated spots. Make sure not to over-tighten the cradle into the cutter hub. When all 3 cutter blades are properly adjusted, remount the cutter guard by sliding it downward in the guard slots and re-tighten the 2 guard screws. Precision, ease of use, and efficiency are what make the EF-3000 a superior choice for your edge finishing needs. Learn more about the EF-3000 and its features on our website.